masayang bakbakan.
Oo naman, minsan lang ito, once a year.
Yes, this is only once a year. Then bigyan pa tayo ng... No?
At ito ang hinihintay ng lahat ng mga Ilocos.
Yes, at least, ayan, nakikita niyo yung tunay na bakbakan. No? And we're now on the final hit. So, help pray for Christ and Christ and our drivers. No? Shout out po po sa private personal sponsor. Thank you.
And happy birthday to Boss
And Philmac Racing, thank you. Maraming salamat. And thank you po sa Supremo. Kay ni Jose Carmen. Okay, bye. Teka dito. Racing. One of the top young action star ng motocross, that is Anton Cortez. Followed by Jayan Sanson, Hawa Galila, and
Steve Gallego.
Yes. Okay, this is scheduled for 5 laps. Okay, 5 laps ito. All ng Philippines. Ang una ngayon si Anton, followed by the Bertie Boy, Ron Valderon, the Blasco Racing, and third is Sanson. Varela on fourth, Gallego on fifth.
Ladies class to the waiting area. Ladies class to the waiting area.
Okay. Round one. Welcome to Boston Racetrack. And Anton Cortez is only 16 years old. At makikita natin, grabe, no? He did a good right, left to the right, right to the left, no? Kasama natin yung mga inside and outside, right? enjoy your Saturday. We still have more race to go. Hindi pa tayo tapos. No? You can invite your friends to come over and watch this final hit. And pasalamat po tayo sa pag-organize. No? Hindi biro kung mag-organize tayo ng 2,000 natin lang. Napagaling. Habang racing. No? Oh, ito yung motor. Ito yung next back. Next year makabang. Oh, so,
Okay, last lap.
okay, white flag song for Anton Martis. Followed by Ron Baltimore. And there we go. Ian Sanson. Coming up, white flag, Tawa Galila. Si Himaras Highland. Okay, ladies, class, proceed. All ladies, proceed now to the waiting area. Lahat ng ladies. And elite, get ready.
Anton Cortez now approaching the finish line. Congratulations! The pride of Honda Philippines.
Anton Cortez.
Paparon,
Vallador. Riding for the NASCAR Racing.
James Sanson.
Ian Sanson. And followed by Tawa Galila. Okay, congratulations. Magkikita pa tayo sa podium mamaya. Tayo nga po is the row 1. Okay, 12 laps, partner. Partner here, 12 laps na tayo ha. Sa row 1.